In this video, let's try to change the your message related details. So now here, whatever the exception I'm having, those exception related details I'm printing, right? I just wanted to modify the messages. Okay, so now ex dot message, so it is the common for each and every statement, right? I just wanted to update that. So whenever null reference is exception happening, okay, I would like to change this message like you are entering the wrong car model, please check again. Okay, that kind of message. So like this. Okay, so you are entering the wrong car model, so please check again, kind of that. Okay, so whenever null exception is happening, I don't want to showcase the null reference exception related details of the C sharp. Instead of that, I am printing this. Okay, coming to the index out of range exception, let me comment at this here. Also I would like to uh, modify the message. That is, some issue has happened while pick up the model number, so please try again after some time. Okay, that is the message I am giving here. And coming to this catch block, so as of now let me comment at this. Okay, just focus on these two catch blocks. Okay, now first step, let me give the 1 here, and Renault I'm giving the null value. Okay, so in case of null value, see the this catch block related issue. Okay, now if you see the output, so my brand name is the null value, right? So now if you see the catch block here, I'm giving the updated message, that is the you are entered the wrong car model, please check again, right? Now if you see it in the console window, you are seeing the you are entering the car model, please check again. So instead of the object reference related exception details from the C sharp, you are printing the your own message in the console window. Now again, if you see the final block, anyway these statements will be executed as usually.